Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to make elegant angel wings Christmas ornaments using recycled pistachio shells. Soak pistachio shells in water for a couple of hours or overnight. Once soaked, cut the shells lengthwise into small pieces. This will be the first set of feathers. Then cut these pieces again into half to make the smaller set of feathers. Next, cut out a wing shape from cardboard. Apply glue and start sticking the first set of shells one by one along the bottom edge. Stick the shells layer by layer. As you move upward, stick the smaller second set of shells to create a layered feather effect. Now your pair of wings are ready. Join the two wings together. Apply glue on the top of the shells and dust golden glitter over them for a beautiful shine. Attach a small thread on the back so you can hang it on your Christmas tree. I also made another one in white with silver glitter. If you enjoyed this DIY, give a thumbs up, share it with friends and subscribe for more eco-friendly Christmas crafts. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.